I see that Apollo is doing the right thing and focusing on that. And so I'm excited to start leveraging those tools within Indeed to really help us accelerate our AI development. So Talent Scout is Indeed's new AI chat solution. It is a virtual hiring assistant for recruiters. It's able to do many things, such as suggesting improvements for a company's job posts and finding the best candidates for a particular position. It took 9 months in total from fruition of the idea until actual deployment and release and public announcement in FutureWorks. It was a learning experience to learn about AI systems, build all the safeguards. And so we were starting from absolutely nothing. So in 9 months, we were able to build a fully functioning AI hiring assistant, complete with all the guardrails that you would want around safety, especially when you're dealing with candidate data. And Apollo was a key there in the sense that we were able to focus on those AI specific problems that had nothing to do with the Indeed domain itself. And we were able to leverage our existing GraphQL APIs that we had already invested in over the years and just use those mostly as is. What GraphQL really gives you is it gives you a catalog of all of the data at Indeed at your fingertips. We're just able to write a declarative recipe of the data we need, and Apollo and GraphQL handles all the complexity of getting all the data from all those various different sources and handing it to the AI so that the AI can make intelligent decisions based on the data. In a pre-GraphQL world, we would have had to build out all the streaming infrastructure necessary for chat. We also would have had to build out all the data orchestration layer to orchestrate all of the candidate job information and job performance data that would have needed to go into the AIs. So that would have, in practice, meant likely building a backends for front end sort of API just for Talent Scout, and a lot of complexity around data orchestration that has nothing to do with the AI functionality itself. And so a lot of extra boilerplate work. Having Apollo and GraphQL allowed us to accelerate our AI work by providing that base capability of the data that we needed for the AI agents. And so we were able to accelerate faster by freeing up our resources to focus on just the AI LM specific problems. It solves a real problem, and it's a solution that you can build on.